A wonderful morning to all. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the basic steps of agricultural practices. Farmers take this huge responsibility of cultivation of crops to provide food to entire population. Various tasks performed by farmers for crop rotation are termed as agricultural practices. Following activities form a part of agricultural practices: preparation of soil, sowing of seeds, adding manures and fertilizers, irrigation, protection from weeds, harvesting, and storage. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the preparation of soil. Preparing the soil so that it can support the crop cultivation is the first steps towards agriculture. The way you need to prepare before exams, similarly soil needs to be prepared before planting crops. The activities which prepare soil includes plowing, watering and leveling. Plowing is loosening and turning of soil. It is also known as tilling. Now, why plowing is done? Plowing is very important activity due to following reason. It makes soil airy. Loosened soil allow roots to penetrate better into the soil. More oily soil promotes growth of microbes and earthworms, which in turn improve the soil fertility. Earthworms casting contains nutrients useful for plant growth. Microbes decompose dead organisms and release nutrients into the soil. Soil fertility is increased. Nutrient-rich soil is available to plants. Organic and materials are present in the top soil layer, but plant root can reach only a few centimeter depth. By loosening the soil, those lower nutrients rich can be brought up. Agricultural implements. Plow, hoe and cultivator are three important tools which helps in soil preparation. Plow, tool used for plowing. It is made of iron or wood. It is pulled by a pair of animals like cows, oxen, horses, and operated by farmers through the handle. Hoe. Hoe is a tool used for loosening soil. It is made of wood or iron. A strong iron metal attached to a long rod acts like a blade and helps to loosening of the soil. It is also pulled by animals. Our second step is sowing of seeds. Scattering seeds on the earth after soil is prepared for cultivation is termed as sowing. It is the most important part of agriculture. Plant cannot grow without seeds. The type of seeds sown decided the quality of the crop that would come out of it. Now, how will we check the quality of the seeds? Good quality seeds should be sown. Good quality seeds, clean, healthy seeds with high yield capacity can be easily distinguished from bad one. Once put in water and left for some time, the damaged seeds, being light and hollow, would float on the surface. Now, what are the techniques of sowing the seeds? Manual sowing of seeds involves time and labor. Involvement like seed drills helps in sowing seeds using a tractor. Some advantages of using a seed drills are: sow seeds at uniform distance, protect seeds from being eaten by birds, it saves times and it saves human labor also. So that's all for plowing of seeds and sowing of seeds. Thank you for watching the video.